everyone, how are you? If I slur it at all during this video, it's because I've been drinking, and I'm currently drinking a Pedigree Amber Ale. Very nice. So let's get cracking with what I'm going to be building today. It is a product card design for Under Armour. If I go over here, here is a completed version of what it will look like. We've got the size, small, medium and large, and this is where the JavaScript will come in. Red, blue, teal, turquoise, whatever you want to call it. And then that. So let's just sculpt back over here and start from scratch. So dot container, and let me just go back over to here. There we go. Dot card. Dot image box. Image 1. I've got them as PNGs because I couldn't be bothered to change them to JPEGs. Perfecto. So now we're going to be making the I suppose the actual, what's the word? We're going to be coding the actual product card itself now, is what I'm trying to say. Content box, H2, Under Armour, dot size, so this is where the small, medium and large that you saw earlier on comes into play. H3 size, span, and scroll that down, medium and large. Okay, so save that. Where are we? There we go. Dot color, so this will play into the JavaScript element as well. H3 color, and yes, I am spelling it with a U because I'm not a heathen. Class BTN. There we go. Okie dokie, and for the last one, for the time being I should say, A order now, so go over there. Fantastic. Here we have the bare bones of the product card. So if I scoot over to the CSS, I've already done the tedious part. So body, display is flex, justify content is center, align items is center, min height 100 VH. Background, now I've gone for a off black, it doesn't really matter, but 131313, and I'll be completely honest, if I chose that to go 000, it's pretty difficult to tell, let's be honest, but still keep it with the off black. Overflow is hidden, save that. First of all, dot container, position is relative, dot container dot card. Sip my beer. Position is relative. Width is 320 pixels. Height is 450 pixels. Background color is 232325. Border radius 24 pixels because I do like that one. Overflow is hidden, save that. There we go, got a perfect product card. dot container dot card b4. Content, there we go. Position is absolute. Top is 0, left is 0, width is 100%, height is 100%, background, and you'll see what this does in a minute. If I just go to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 37, clip path, circle, 230 pixels at 50%, minus 40%, transition, 0.5 seconds, ease in and out, scotch over here. There we go, we can see the makings. And you can change it to any particular color you want. I just chose that to, let's go back up here and change this to let's go back up here, change it to white and change that to a darkish black. Yes, I am winging this on the fly. There we go. Dot container dot card hover b4 clip path circle 300 pixels at 50%, 50%, background 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9F. So if I just do this, there we go. Obviously, if you so chose, you could keep it at that. If I copy that, save that. It just obviously comes down to personal preference. And I just hit my mic. So I'm going to save it at that, so it's a slightly whiter hue. And then go to dot container, dot card, dot image box. Position is absolute. Top is 50%. Transform, translate Y. Negative 50%. Z index 1000. Width 100%. Height 220 pixels. Transition 0.5 seconds. Save that. I might come back to that hover color. We'll see how the mood takes me. Dot container, dot card, slash hover, dot image box. Top is 0. Transform. Grab a quick cup of tea. Translate. And I'll try not to drink into the mic because that's a bit disgusting. So sorry about that. Dot container. Dot card. Dot image box. And a swig of my beer. Hang on. Perfect. I'm recharged. It's like my version of Red Bull. Position, absolute. Top, 50%. Left, 50%. translate. There we go. Negative 50%. Negative 50%. Width 220 pixels. Height to 10 pixels. Perfect. So, where am I? Dot container, dot card, dot content box. Position is absolute. Bottom is 0. Width 100%. Height 100%. Sorry, 100 pixels. Text align is center. The transition 0.7 seconds. God, I really need to get my nails cut. I don't know how you, any women watch this, how you fucking type with nails. I need to get my nails cut. That's the most annoying thing in the world. Dot container slash card hover dot content box. Height 210 pixels. Oh no. Dot container dot card dot content box. H2. The position is relative. The font weight 600. A nice fat font. We like our fonts like how we like our asses, nice and thick. Color shall be not bisque. What the fuck is bisque? There you go. Perfecto. So dot container, dot card, dot content. Oh, Christ. You can tell the alcohol's kicking in. My ability to type is rapidly decreasing. So copy that, and I promise this won't be dog shit. Dot color. The display is flex. Justify content is center. Align items is center. Padding 8 pixels, 20 pixels. Opacity is 0. Visibility is hidden. Transition, because everything's got to be a fucking transition. There we go. Swig my beer. Right, so if I just go up here and copy that, paste that in there, hover, dot size, opacity is 1, visibility is visible, transition delay 0.5 seconds. So we're going to do the same. If I copy that now, going to do the same for dot color. Opacity, I could have just copied it all, but there's one slight difference is visible. Transition delay 0.6 seconds. So let me just go back up here and copy this. Excuse me, copy all of that. H3, H3, so we're now, oh god damn it, referring to that and that. So the color is black, font weight is 300, font size is 13 pixels, text transform is uppercase, shows it. Letter spacing is going to be 3 pixels, margin right, 10 pixels, save that, swiggle my tea. So you can see now it is there. Perfect. Oopsie daisy, and just copy that. Span width is 25 pixels, so we're now working on this chestnut here. Height is 25 pixels. Text align center. Line height 25 pixels. Font size 13 pixels. Display inline block. Color, I should stick it as black. No, what should we do? The background color is going to be black. Text is going to be white, because then I'll just pop off the screen. Border radius is 5 pixels. Margin, bloody nails, 0.5 pixels. Transition 0.5 seconds. Cursor pointer, go over it. There we go. Although, let me just go back over here and there we go. So go back to the CSS. Copy all of that. Color is still going to be color as a white. Let's make the background color 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 3. Let's make it a deepish red. There we go. Dot container dot card dot content box dot color span. Width is 20 pixels. So we're now working on this one here. Height is, to the shock of no one, 20 pixels. Background F00. Border radius is 50%. And margin 0.5 pixels. Cursor pointer. Go over it. Tediously red. So let's go to here and go to, not that, copy that. Do a bit of nth child magic. Nth child 2. Background, for God's sake, background. Copy that. Paste that 1, 2. Change that to 3. Change that to 4. And do 1, 2, EF00. 40 E0D0. Save that. So we can see we've now got 3 separate colors. Where is let's just, I know I'm fiddling on the go, but that colour was annoying me. There we go. And 2 more chestnuts from this point of view. So dot container, dot card, swig up a tea. Dot content box. So we're doing the A, which is that one. The display is inline block. Padding, there we go. 10 pixels, 30 pixels. Background is going to be black. Border radius is 5 pixels. Margin top. Margin top. 10 pixels. Text decoration is none. Font weight. Let's make this nice and fat because we like our font like we like our asses. Humongous. There we go. Color. Opacity is 0. Transform. Translate white. 50 pixels. Transition. 0.5 seconds. So save that. Last but not least. Dot container. Dot card. Slash hover. Dot content box. A. Opacity is 1. Transform. Translate Y 0 pixels. Transition delay 0.75. Hot diggity daffodil. So let us finish this off and put a little bow on here. So first of all, go back to here, get rid of that one. Change that to ID, gallery. Change that to active, and both of these will you will see why I've done that in a moment. So let's just go to script var btn equals document dot get element by class name btn var gallery equals document dot get element by ID, so the ID is gallery. Var images equals new array. So here is where we choose the put in the images that we want to pull from. So image1.png, comma, down, down, and down. Get rid of the comma. Change that to image2. Change that to image3. And for open brackets, let I equals 0, I less than btn dot length, plus plus btn and we're doing on click, so obviously the idea being that I haven't saved it, but the idea being when you click, that color will change, or that image will change, excuse me. Equals a function, open and close brackets. Where am I? Gallery.src equals images let current equals document dot get elements by class name active. So we are now referring back to this one. So if this has all worked correctly as it should, hover over there, bish bash bosh, red, blue, turquoise. If I refresh the page, that goes back to red, as it should and as intended. There's a wee bit of JavaScript fun for you. So, thank you very much for watching, and have an absolutely tip-top day.